Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 certified pre-owned C300 4MATIC coupe. This one's a Selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give the AMG interior and exterior sport line, a diamond style grille up front, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB text interior with aluminum and gloss black center console. Panorama roof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Opening up the trunk, we've got our AMG floor mats, fold down rear seats, the windows were just tinted, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, our media display, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C300 4MATIC coupe has 37,605 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.